To many people, it sounds like far-off science fiction, a mysterious, hard-to-wrap-your-head-around technology with promises of profound impact on society. The truth is even more exciting. Quantum computing is actually here now, and it's already beginning to transform the world around us, solving computationally complex problems that can be too time-consuming, costly, or difficult for classical computers. Hi, my name is Murray Thom, and I'm the host of a brand new podcast called Quantum Matters, where quantum computing gets real. Created by dwave, the world's first commercial quantum computing company, every episode will explore where quantum is making a tangible difference today. You'll hear from the industry leaders, researchers, and academics who are applying quantum technology to find answers to their incredibly challenging computational problems. And you'll learn about real-world case studies to help you cut through the hype, separate fact from fiction, and develop an informed position on what this incredible technology could mean for you today. Because quantum isn't coming someday, it's here, it's scaling, and it's creating opportunities and delivering real ROI right now. So whether you're a quantum skeptic, enthusiast, or undecided, keep an eye out for Quantum Matters from dwave, coming soon to YouTube, Spotify, Apple, and everywhere you get your podcasts.